G'day mates, I'm renaming the channel from CPAP reviews to CPAP recalls. Here's why. Now the TLDV for this video is SoClean. The makers of the ozone CPAP cleaners are doing a voluntary recall because of a number of complaints. They're sending out a new user manual and a new hose and mask adapter to mitigate the risks and stop ozone from getting inside your device. So if you're short on time, that's it. But if you want to stick around, of course you can. Here it is. Now they received 7,417 complaints, which is 0.33% of units sold. And that's crazy. They were smashing it. That means they sold 2,225,000, around that, of these devices, which is crazy. The complaints often involved difficulty in setting up or turning on the device. Welcome to my life. Unpleasant odors, cough, and worsening of pre-existing conditions. That's a big one. The recall does not necessitate users to cease use or return their units. However, the recall includes a new user manual with enhanced instructions and a hose and mask adapter. This is aimed at mitigating health risks related to ozone exposure, a gas used in the device for sanitizing. That's how these devices work. It hooks up to your CPAP gear and it flushes it with ozone, which is a gas. It does have a distinct smell to it. And this ozone kills all the pathogens, kills all the bacteria, and sanitizes your equipment. However, for some people, it can cause problems. The company also highlights that individuals with lung disease, like asthma or COPD, and those with cardiovascular disease should consult healthcare professionals before using SoClean products. No, you shouldn't, guys. If you've got any respiratory conditions, any health conditions really, just stay away from it. And I just advise you to stay away from it altogether, really. SoClean is updating its labels to include additional warnings, contraindications, and clear setup instructions, specifically emphasizing the use of the provided hose and mask adapter. This new hose and mask adapter is important and it's designed to stop ozone getting inside your CPAP machine. Because as we've seen, I've done a number of videos on this, it can cause big problems, especially for the sound abatement foam inside the devices. And it did contribute to the Philips recall. Not the only reason, heat and humidity also affected the foam, but ozone enhanced the foam breakdown. This move aims to address risks associated with the previous device design and labeling. We've seen a bit of that lately, haven't we? Companies updating their labeling, updating their manuals and the contraindications. ResMed just did one with the mask magnets and Philips has done one also. If you want to watch that video, click the link above. The FDA has issued safety communications advising users not to use SoClean2 or 3 without the new adapter. Disconnect the equipment from CPAP devices during use and to follow CPAP manufacturers' cleaning instructions. That's interesting because none of the CPAP manufacturers' cleaning instructions say use SoClean. They just say use soapy water. That's what you should be using. And I know very well that CPAP manufacturers thumbing their nose at SoClean and ozone because of what it can do inside the CPAP machine. Not worth it, guys. The SoClean manual and the new adapter are designed to reduce ozone exposure risks. The FDA continues to work with SoClean for compliance and reminds that no ozone gas or UV light-based cleaning devices for CPAP machines have been authorized for market. None have been authorized. So just keep that in mind. Problems with SoClean devices can be reported through the MedWatch voluntary reporting form. And I'll put that form in the description of the video. Have a lovely day, guys. Cheers.
G'day mates, this video is sponsored by Sleep HQ. Upload, review and share your detailed CPAP reports with anyone from anywhere. Visit sleephq.com and join our free community today.
It hooks up to your CPAP gear and it flushes us. Thanks, dickhead.